Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're looking at our pick for the best value robotic pool cleaner for above ground pools, the Dolphin Escape. We picked it as our #1 robot because it delivers an unparalleled simple clean compared to other budget models. Today we'll go over its abilities and why it's our pick in brief detail, but if you want a more in-depth look into its features and performance, make sure to go and check out our full-length review. Before we jump into the Escape though, let us briefly go over what to expect from an above ground pool cleaner in general. Most above ground pool cleaners are built for pools around 30 feet. This means that if you have a larger in-ground pool with a complicated layout, you'll want to look at the units like the Dolphin Quantum and Premier in the mid to premium category so you can truly clean all of your pool. With this being said though, many budget models are only meant for above ground pools. But we felt in our testing that the Escape could even be a good choice for small in-ground pools. That brings us to the reasons why we chose this robot. The most important element of any robotic pool cleaner is its cleaning ability, and I'm happy to say that the Escape delivers a strong performance for its price. The Escape can deliver such a strong performance thanks to 3 key elements of its design: its front spinning brushes, hyper grip tracks, and its filter basket. First, there's its front scrubbing brush. Most suction and pressure side cleaners, and even some competing budget options like the HyperSmart 1000, only include a static brush, which will only get rid of most superficial debris. This is why the Escape spinning brush is so important, because it actively scrubs away debris, delivering a truly deep clean. Second, there are the hyper grip tracks. Many budget pool cleaners just have wheels, which can't deliver true grip on your pool floor. Some units, such as the Aquabot X2, have remedied most of this problem with their foam wheels. But units like the Hyper 600 and 1000 simply can't grip your pool floor well enough to move precisely or clean well. This is why tracks are so important to have, because with them, units like the Escape can strongly adhere to the pool floor and even climb and clean your pool walls. Wall climbing is a rare feature to see in the price range, so we are really happy to see it on the Escape thanks to its hyper grip tracks. Finally, there's the Escape filter basket. It's easy to remove and clean, not to mention it can hold a decent amount of debris. To remove the filter, simply open up the top of the unit and pull it out. Cleaning is just as simple, since you can just drop the bottom to dump most of the debris and then snap apart the panels to clear everything else. As for how much it can hold, the Escape filter is surprisingly spacious for its price range and can hold a fair amount of leaves, as well as clear up some of the smaller particles clouding your pool water. So there you have it, the Dolphin Escape, and why it's our pick for the best above ground pool cleaner, or even a small in-ground pool. Its cleaning power is unmatched with its active scrubbing brush, hyper grip tracks, and easy to remove and clean filter basket. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Escape and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.